Yeah, we kind of shot the ball well, those two that you mentioned. Pat was 8 out of 16, CJ was 7 out of 14. You know, we had to weather that comeback of theirs in the fourth. We know that they zoned the last game, and today they were zoning again, but we managed it quite well. I thought in the third quarter, you know, the fouls, they had 10 fouls called against us. We had 5. Disparity in free throws 29 to 15, so you know, we had to stay positive, and the guys pulled through eventually in the fourth. They found the rhythm there. Even with Patrick falling out, I thought we did a good job as a team keeping our poise on not only on offense but defense as well.
Thank you, Coach Luigi. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations.
Thanks, Jones.
Coach, anong difference nung nakita ngayon ni Pat compared to Marvin Jones sa
Well, you know, it seems like Pat's probably a better shooter. You know, they both have their strengths. It's not easy for a guy to just come in. I think the only thing for us is they also have a new import. So yung import na yun doesn't probably know a lot of their plays, right? But Pat had cramps today, but he was pretty solid. You know, he does the right things on the court. He seems like he makes the right decisions. But it just wasn't Pat. I thought everybody came to play, most especially when he fouled out. We had JV and Cliff hold the fort.
CJ, congratulations. Big shot nung fourth quarter to pull away. Malaking bagay sa inyo yun. This time, na-sustain nyo yung lamang nyo against TNT.
Siguro mas natutunan kami sa mga past games namin, and exposure namin talagang kailangan namin mas diinan pa kasi ganun lagi naging problema namin. So masaya kami na hindi nangyari yun ngayon, and hopefully mas madala namin yung confidence na binigay ng game na to sa mga next game pa.
Hindi yung mas kasi may tendency yung players sa simula struggle, but eventually sana yung minsan nagiging sinusot nila hindi tinatanggal. Ganun na ba yung pakiramdam mo sa mas mo?
Well, oo, kasi nung umpisa talagang sobrang struggling kasi nga hindi naman kami nakapag-practice, one day lang yung pagitan ng mga games. So talagang pinag-decide ko kung gagamitin ko ba yun, hindi. So nag-reps na ako sa practice ng marami talaga, as in everyday nag-reps ako, so hanggang sa masanay ako. And then masabi ko naman na nakatulong naman yun.
DJ, saan mo pa nakuha yung injury sa practice daw?
Hindi, nung game 1 namin, fourth quarter ata yun, nung tinamaan ako ni Jordan Heading sa corner. So, dun siya nakuha.
So, may fracture ba?
May fracture daw, so talagang mahirap kasi kapag hindi ko ginamit, baka mailang naman ako na hindi mas maging physical kasi ingatan ko yung lungkong. So, sabi ko, sanayin ko na lang na may mask.
Ano ba yan after conference? Kailangan ba mo operahan?
Well, yun nga yung sabi mag-mask ako para gumaling lang yung fracture. So kapag tinamaan kasi ulit baka ma-dislocate na siya, kailangan na siyang operahan.
Okay, thank you. Coach, si Marvin Jones andito pa ba or gumaling ko ba ng
I think he had the flight today.
So that means you're sticking out with Patrick Turner for the rest of the series.
Yeah, you might want to ask Coach natin. Tignan muna natin. But he's our import right now. He speaks highly of Pat. Kita-kita mo naman yung ginawa niya, di ba? He's kalmado, he makes the right decisions. I think the one thing that he has is he can shoot the ball. So, kailangan bantayan mo lang, he can make shots from the outside. So, and he's fresh from the Japanese, the Division 2. He just played, I think, in the finals. So, 10 days off. No? Pero yun ang sinasabi niya palagi pag first game ng season kahit saan, nakakramps daw siya. So, tignan natin.
Coach, in the last game kasi parang si Bro lang yung nag-double digit. Now we have a lot of players like JB and ano masabi niyo sa support ng locals?
We have confidence in our guys. You know, these guys are vets. We've been having a lot of good conferences. We believe in them. they're good people all around. Kahit yung mga hindi naglalaro sa amin, binibigyan ng tulong si CJ. You have Elaine, you have guys like that, si Johnson helping them out, and that's, I think, that says a lot about our team, right? I've been with a lot of teams. I think this is one of the, I think, on paper na sobrang bait ng mga tao na they really care. So we just told them that we weren't happy. Obviously, nangyari yun. It was embarrassing na natalo kami. And when things go bad, sometimes that's the time to come together, diba? So keep our poise. Let these guys play. They're men. They know what to do inside.
Thank you.
Last and so